Good morning from Disney's Animal Kingdom. Today is July 11th, the official first day of this park being open. And it's very empty. We just got through security here at Animal Kingdom, and they have the brand new security system like we've been seeing at Disney Springs inside the Lime Garage. Super fast, super quick. Nobody stopped me. Nobody checked my bag. Nobody touched anything. Took 2 seconds and we're already inside Animal Kingdom. I can't wait to see this new system at all 4 parks. So right here used to be the old security checkpoint. Now, of course, it's been pushed back a lot. But look how much space there is now. And same thing here, just like over at Magic Kingdom, we have ground markers for each row heading to your touch point to enter the park. And look at this, Disney has covered the fingerprint scanner. So all you do, scan your band, and we're in. Oh my goodness, it is so empty. Look at the Tree of Life. And some more good news, you can still be a wilderness explorer here at Animal Kingdom. Thank you for being here. You have got to be kidding me. Flight of Passage is only a 5-minute wait at 11 a.m. during the summer.
Thank you for visiting us today. Just a few reminders. Please wear a face covering. Clean your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
We have some more plexiglass along the queue line. More plexiglass the closer we get to the link chambers. Okay guys, that was a straight walk-on. I think it was just 5 minutes walking to this point as we see more plexiglass. Wow. I was just talking with Bianca, and it's a little eerie in here because it's so quiet and empty.
How many do we have in this group here? 2, awesome. Here's your flight visors. You guys do that second red dot for me. How many do we have here? 2, awesome.
We just bypassed the first pre-show room. We're in the second. I like it a lot.
They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar.
There's only 3 families in here.
Attention
3.
drivers, for your safety, throughout this entire experience, remain seated.
I love that ride. It's so fun. Definitely worth the 5-minute wait and also waiting nearly 4 months to ride that ride. So good to be back. We may end up riding this 3, 5, 10 more times, who knows, but if it stays at a 5 or 10 minute wait all day, I think we have a chance to get on Flight of Passage as much as we want to today. We have some brand new Banshee shoulder plushes. New arrival, $20. Next up, we're gonna do Navi River Journey. I'm going to switch lenses for some more extreme low light.
Stop.
Tende o fale na vi na ring ting lao. Run!
We are currently waiting for our mobile order to be ready here at Satuli Canteen. Okay, it is ready. Line number 7. And look at that, they're waiting for us. Our food is ready. All right then, we just finished up with lunch. The rain is gone. The sun is starting to come out. We still have a lot to do. It's just so empty. The Festival of the Lion King has not reopened. Also, Tusker House has yet to reopen. Right now, every single attraction inside the park is a 5-minute wait. I think we have the entire ride vehicle all to ourselves. Hello. We have more plexiglass. I think we're gonna go right on the back. And I believe you are allowed to remove your face covering. And yes, it is true, we are allowed to remove our face covering while being on the ride, but I don't know how comfortable I feel. I may put it back on because we don't have the entire ride to ourselves anymore. You guys see the little crack right here? So it's not fully enclosed. It's definitely a little challenging to see everything with the barricade right here. So keep that in mind. Definitely try not to sit in the middle. Sit on the sides. That way you have a better chance at seeing the animals. Just finished the safari. It was fun as always. I will say it was very hard to see some of the animals because of those plastic barricades. I mean, it was pretty safe, but there is a gap between the seat and the barrier, so it's not fully enclosed. I did remove my mask for a little bit, but then I ended up putting it back on because the wind was strong. I don't know. Overall, it was fun, but I would probably keep the mask on for the time being, but it is a good break if you do want to remove your mask.
Is the baby still little?
Passing the up stage show to the right, we finally see our first relaxation station here at Animal Kingdom. Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you for being here.
Oh, I appreciate it, thank you.
We have hand sanitizer. It's a lot smaller than the ones at Magic Kingdom. Not that many tables, but hey, a relaxation station works for me. It's a little flooded right now from the rain earlier. Okay, we made it inside the relaxation station. It's nice. It is very small. Like, I feel like the tables are a little closer to each other than the ones over in Magic Kingdom. I believe there are 2 zones here, one at Pizza Safari and one here. I feel like there should be more, but we will find out. But it's super hot today, super humid. Make sure you take breaks. Bring your fan, have your water, and relax. We were in the relaxation station for about 30 minutes. That is how hot it is today. But now we're gonna be making our way over to Expedition Everest and then Dinosaur. By the way, the show is going. I believe that is the only show going on at Animal Kingdom currently. And Disney has plenty of PhotoPass photographers out today. Oh, Expedition Everest, I have missed you. And here we go, only a 5-minute wait, which means walk on. Looks like some more rain is heading our way. Looks like no pre-show. We go right on to the ride. Hello. I have really missed the smell of dinosaur. It smells just like Horror Nights.
Let's roll! Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Polyramus. Hadrosaur.
Time to get serious. Locked in autopilot on home. Identify!
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Left! Right! Left! Right! That's it! Abort mission! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
We just rode Dinosaur 3 times in a row. Amazing. I have to say, this is better than any Disney After Hours event. I'm just amazed. This is the funnest day I have ever had at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Looks like we missed the rain because we were riding Dinosaur 3 times in a row. But one more thing, I want to head back over to Pandora and have one more ride on Flight of Passage because it is still a 5-minute wait. It's tough to be a bug, 5-minute wait. I was just talking with Bianca, James, and Taylor, and honestly, I have never felt as safe as I do right now here at Animal Kingdom. I don't know if it's the capacity because it's extremely low right now, and hopefully it stays like that for the time being. Plenty of hand sanitizer, plenty of physical distancing. All the cast members are beyond happy, very helpful. Everybody's keeping on a mask. I feel more safe here than going to Publix, going to Universal, going to Magic Kingdom. Animal Kingdom, I have felt the safest. It's amazing. We have found another relaxation station here at Pizzafari, and here's what it looks like inside. Everybody is spread out. You are allowed to remove your mask. I like this one a lot. All air conditioning. Yep, it is still a 5-minute standby wait.
Here, gather your belongings.
All right, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and call it a day here from Animal Kingdom. I felt the safest I have ever felt during this whole pandemic. I don't know what Disney is doing, but I believe the key to it all is capacity. And today, nobody was here. Very, very low capacity. I think just because compared to Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom has a lower capacity. Everything went extremely smooth. Everything was a walk-on. Flight of Passage 3 times, Dinosaur 3 times. I rode pretty much everything else I wanted to ride and more. Cast members were great. Safety precautions are great. I've been seeing more and more cast members wiping down things and just went very well. I think the only thing I will say about Animal Kingdom, there needs to be more relaxation stations or zones around the park. I believe there's only 2. The first one very small, but the second one was very nice. But I think there needs to be at least one more because especially on a hot day, we've got to remove these masks, take our breaks, drink our water, and relax. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here because we do this quite often. Make sure to follow me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice, and YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
Nice to be nice.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes?